What is going on, guys? Today we have a new product here. You probably can't see it because it's white. Zoom out here. So we got a giant box here. So UBeesize actually sent this out to me for a review. It is a smart vacuum, as you can see in the title of the video. They just started making these, I guess. This is the first time I've heard of this. But UBeesize is normally a tripod / ring light manufacturer. I have one of those lights by them as well, which is cool. Let's get this out here. So let's get the vacuum first. Put it to the side for a second. Oh, okay, so you have extra little cleaning bristles. So you have a total of 4. Right here we have a filter. We have magnetic strips here. These are boundary placement, but if you don't have a place that doesn't have a magnet, it does have adhesive, which is right here. We got a cleaning brush, sensors on the front, and then cut the hair out, detangle it. It's really nice. You have 2 AAA batteries right here for the remote. Here's the remote. This is the remote. You have auto, home, directional buttons. You have, I believe, timer modes, like a direct cleaning spot. It'll go into 360. Edge cleaning, charging base one, and then a max mode. You have the battery compartment there. It's a very thick controller. Here's the charging base. Very similar to the one I have. But yeah, this looks really nice. You have a power supply here. Oh, and a cable strap. So that's pretty much everything you get in the box. We're gonna move to the side. We're gonna get the robot vacuum now, which is right here. So right here you have tech support. 1 beep indicating red light. Front caster wheel is stuck. 2 beeps. Robot side brush stuck. 4 beeps. Robot's main extractor. The charging contact pins right there. The brush areas where you can apply them. Now, one thing I didn't know off the bat is that you have to let these click into place. You gotta apply it like that, and you have to make sure it clicks into place. Otherwise, it'll fall off really, really easily. So yeah, that one's in place. There we go. Hear that little click. You have another roll thing right there for direction. I believe that's an infrared sensor as well. Fairly simple. So you have wheels, little motor here. You can take this off, take out the brush itself for easier cleaning, which is really helpful. After about, I'd say, half a year, maybe to a year, you'll have to take it out and do a deep clean. These are very low maintenance, and they clean really, really well. I love that about these smart vacuums. You have the on and off switch right here. There we go. This is a 2600 milliamp battery, 28 watts of power, 19 volts, and 0.6 amps. I believe these are the speakers right here. So you have the indicator light right there. You can see that. Compartment for all the litter / junk that gets back here. You just press that down. Right here you have the filter placement. It already comes with one, but basically if you need to rechange it out, you just, I don't know how, but you should be able to just pop that open. It'll show you in the user manual if you ever get lost. But you just place that. It says right here you can also wash it with like a faucet. That's pretty cool. So that's that. Place it back there. It does have wheels on it as well. Pretty nice size as well. There's a lot of room there, so that's where it inserts the trash in here. Very well sized. I'm gonna compare this into the other one, and I'll show you how close these are. So you got foam protectors here. That is just for the bumpers right here. So when it hits an object, it'll go the opposite direction so it doesn't continue to go that way and clean nothing for hours. So yeah, that's that. It says right here, switch on before you use, basically. It says remove the sticker as well before you use. There we go. All right, so it's on a purple LED indicator. I'm pretty sure that means it's dying. Place it basically right around there. We're gonna go to its home, see if it goes. Just trying to find it. It's having some trouble. Kind of got lost. Let's try that again. So far it's kind of an L right there. Looks like it's getting close. Oh. No way. Okay. So that was a pretty successful run. Took about 3 attempts. This is the compartment after 5 minutes of runtime on max full speed for the vacuum. In a fairly decent sized room, as you can see. I did control it, but it was really good. Now after about an hour to 2 hours until it died basically, this is the max capacity that it can hold basically. until it just changed out. And as you can see, I threw it away and it cleaned really well, just without any brushes or anything. All right, so as you can see, we have our vacuum right there. We're gonna go ahead and get the remote. So to change the time, just press the little clock there. It'll have the settings ready and you can change the time like that. Very simple, very easy. For a schedule, just press the little icon here. You can change the time like that. You can go AM, PM. I have it at 4 for now. It's indicated right there with the icon, so you can use that to turn it on and off. Just press and hold the button till it beeps. But for the most part, the auto detecting, I'll show you. 1 beep, 3 beeps, that's max. I'm gonna keep it on 1 for now so I could be able to talk a little bit more. But basically, you can direct the robot where you want it to go. So if you want to go to a certain direction, you can do that, which is nice. I tend to use the remotes a lot more because obviously these things aren't as smart and they do bump into stuff. Since it doesn't have 3D technology, LiDAR, or anything like that to smart detect objects. But for the most part, it does its job. It cleans really, really well. For 150 bucks, it's really good. For a budget option, it's really, really good. I have a $250 one right there, which does a lot better job. Detects objects way better, has Wi-Fi enabled, an app, and more stuff available in there. I'll do a comparison between that, like I said. But for the most part, this one, it cleans really well. It's obviously not 3D mapping, it's just a basic one. But for the most part, it's really, really good. As you can see, it cleans with the bristles, and it just pushes everything there. It's good for hardwood, and good for carpet as well. I would find it really good for hardwood because it does a really good job. I tested it on that and it does a really good job for picking up hair, crumbs and everything like that. So it's better than sweeping. So that's the max setting. It's a lot louder. It does get quieter. Hold on. So it does have a quieter mode. So it will auto detect when it's on carpet and auto detect when it's on hardwood. Sometimes it does kick in wrong for hardwood, but it will change the motor and clean less, so it preserves the battery, which is really cool. Something that I don't think that one has, but this one has, which is, I thought it was really cool and very interesting. So yeah, that's that. If you guys want to check out more smart vacuums, I'll be doing more videos just like that in the future, so stay tuned for it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video so I know you enjoyed it.